Good morning, everyone. This is Mary Flower. I want to show you what I'm taking to the local store. My little Halloween books. I've made 14 of them. I've put them in this nice wooden, crate type thing. And let me bring them down into view here. And I've used several different kinds of fabric on these. And the other thing is I found these wonderful, shiny, they look like spider webs that I found at a yard sale last year. I found quite a few of them, and I didn't pay very much, and they're just beautiful. So I put them over the top. As you can see, there's going to be two signatures in here. And these are only like three, 1.5 by 4 by 3 approximately. And then on top of, I use this wonderful fabric. And in fact, I have several here. And here's the one with the skeletons' heads on it. And then I put the webbing on top of it and then added some three-dimensional spiders. So I'm trying to hold it closer. I hope it's not too close. And it has a wonderful effect. So what I'm going to do is do a couple of flip throughs, but I only need to do a couple because they're pretty much all the same on the inside. So we'll do one to show you what's in them. Oh, I put these ties, which are sort of a, kind of a brass color, goldish ribbon through it before I put the middle piece in there on both sides, like so, on this side, and so that you can tie them up like this. And so I'll go through one of these. I'll try to hold this close to the camera so you can see. I have some of my hand-dyed papers that are kind of nice and sort of eerie looking. And just a little bit of designer paper, but mostly my hand-dyed papers. I have this netting that's kind of a really beautiful, shiny, deep purple, black, more hand-dyed paper, a leaf, which I like the way it looks in here. It gives it kind of that, it stands out on both sides. So it was kind of a nice effect in there. And then old composition paper that I dyed on the edges that gives it kind of a nice look. More black. And then I have these wonderful little skeletons on purple. And I actually sent those through the, hold on a minute. I sent those through the printer. And it looks so cute, this little thing popping up. If I start sneezing, I'll have to start this over again. I have sneezing fits sometimes. Then I found this, like a translucent type paper that has like x-ray pictures almost on it. And it looks kind of cool. So I put a little bit of that in there. And some of these strange children's book. And I used these similar papers in my travel journals in the envelopes that were at Halloween, and they've almost sold out. So there's still a lot more time before Halloween, so I thought I would give them some more because they've sold quite a few of my other ones. See the nice paper. It's wrinkled and dyed, and it kind of had a natural / eerie look to it. And on these, I actually take the edges on all the other ones, and I sort of rip the edges because they look kind of better that way. So as you can see, all the papers are really, go with the theme of Halloween. A little bit of my botanical natural paper that I did too as well. And on these, I will be taking these because I did on some of them. A couple of them I missed, which is this one. And I kind of like it better with the edges ripped. There's that little cute skeleton popping up again. There's the other leaf. the dyed composition paper. There is another like x-ray looking paper that you sort of see through. It's like a part of a hand or something there. And all of them basically have the same papers as this one. Maybe they're put in a little different order, but pretty much the same on all of these. And then when I'm done, as you can see, the cute little spider on there. And then I tie them up like so with a bow on the side. Let me just go through one more. This one is my skulls. But as you can see, they're pretty much made the same way with the translucent paper here. Has the skeleton, the same kinds of papers in them. And oh, they're fun. It's just a fun book to have at Halloween time, and I'm not charging too much. Like I said, I'm charging $15 for this, so if you decide you want one of these, you better let me know in the comments, and we can work that out if you'd like. But I'm not putting these on eBay. I'm taking them straight to the store. But like I said, I have enough to finish 2 or 3 more, or unless you get me in time, you can take one of these. This is the back of a skull. There's my botanical paper, hand-dyed papers, and so forth. But as you can see, I've made a lot of these. And so that's what I'm doing as my next Halloween project here. And they'll be taken in tomorrow.